Today I'm going to be sharing some more outdoor Christmas DIY decor. You'd never know it was Dollar Tree. Be sure to tune in. Make sure you subscribe and you hit that notification bell because you're not going to want to miss any of this season's DIYs. With that said, let's go ahead and jump right in. To make this DIY, you'll need one of these Dollar Tree bins or anything similar, and then I'm just adding a ton of hot glue to the bottom. I did cut up some pool noodle pieces and just attaching them, and I'm going to stack 2 pieces on top of each other. I do want to make sure it stays in place, so I'm taking some Dollar Tree paper bags, just crumpling them up and putting them on the sides. And then I'm also using 3 Dollar Tree Christmas trees and taping 2 of them together to make a taller tree. For that part, it's going to be exposed, and I'm doing my best with the floral tape, which is green, but I'm also going to be using the individual pieces of garland. These come in a pack of 12, I believe. These are also from Dollar Tree. Of course, if you guys don't have pool noodles laying around, you can use floral foam or vice versa. And you guys can see I poked a hole in there, added some glue, and then inserting the bottom of the trees into it. And the paper bag is going to take up space, so you spend less on floral moss. And I'm just topping it off with the floral moss and spraying it with some snow, and it's good to go. This Christmas pillow is super easy. You're going to need 2 dish drying mats from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to keep them just as is because I want the powder on the front and then the red on the back, and you're just going to use hot glue to close it up. If I wanted to keep this for a long time, I would probably sew it. Definitely sew it, but for now we're going to do the hot glue. And then I do have a little bit of this pillow filling, I guess, but I didn't have enough to make it fluffy, and nobody's gonna cuddle on this pillow or anything like that, so I'm just gonna stuff it with some plastic bags. You can use paper bags, you can use whatever it is that you have, but I'm doing this for now, and that is it. Hey, if you guys want to see shorter videos and behind the scenes stuff, make sure you follow me on my socials, Instagram and TikTok at araceli.chan DIY. I really liked my last Dollar Tree Christmas mat, so I decided to make another one. I like the colors on this one, and I'm going to be using a mop head as well. So on the strands, you're going to cut it in half, then cut those 2 in half, and then cut those in half. So you're going to get a total of 8 pieces per strand. And all you're going to do is just start gluing all around the mat. And at first I just did the 2 sides, but then I decided to do all 4 sides. I'm really feeling the reds and greens for Christmas this year. I want to know what kind of theme you're looking for or going for this Christmas season. Let me know in the comments. Alright, so for this one, I'm taking 2 of these round wooden pieces from Dollar Tree as well as some wrapping paper. The wrapping paper is sort of thin, but that's okay. And then I'm repurposing the snowflake that I did from the last DIY that said ho ho. So just traced around the wrapping paper, and then I'm going to glue it on to the wooden rounds, just using some regular jot glue from Dollar Tree. And you guys can see it's kind of bumpy, but I actually like that look. It looks just textured instead of, flat. And then I just use some regular house paint to draw my letters on there. I'm going to be using these picks and then also some Dollar Tree ribbon, and it is good to go. Okay, so for these big bell ornaments, I'll be using some of these bowls from the wedding section at Dollar Tree, as well as these smaller bowls. For all of my non-Dollar Tree supplies and tools like this one, make sure you check out my Amazon storefront, linked in the description. I love this hot tool for melting into hard plastic because I tried drilling a hole and it completely broke, so don't try that. So I'm just melting a hole right in the center. These are the colors that I'll be using, and then I'm going to glue the two bowls together, and I'm going to use a total of 4 bowls because I'm making 2 different bells. And I'm just going to take a paint marker to draw my bell design at the bottom, and I realized that I actually didn't finish showing the entire thing, but you guys can just take any regular bell, even the little bells from Dollar Tree, and follow the design from that. That's what I did. And then I also just got a piece of rope and tied some twine around it and just stuck it into that hole because I actually want to hang these. And you definitely don't want to hang it from any of the glued pieces because they will fall apart. So obviously I did spray paint the little bowls black, and then I'm using these shower curtain rings also that I spray painted black, and then you guys will see how I attach it, but I'm just gluing that down to the other bowl, and you guys can see I can grab it and it's not going to fall apart on me, and I can hang it. And then this is just for looks, just so you can tell that it's like a bell ornament, and then add some bigger rope to the ends for, you know, that extra bellish look. I don't even know what I'm saying, but yeah, just glue those down and then you're able to hang these without them falling apart. If you enjoyed this video so far, I know you'll enjoy this one. Be sure to check it out before you go. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. If you did enjoy today's video, make sure you guys leave me that thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and leave me any of your thoughts in the comments. I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.